Good morning, guys. It's Friday and I haven't been doing a lot. We woke up late. Yeah, we got up late and then got news. My wallet's broken. This wallet here is broken. The corners, because this has a zipper for it to close, and the corners, this is a really good one. It's Adventure. I don't know, I forgot the name. The corners, the zip teeth in the corners are mangled or something. I don't know. Usually I try to fix this, but this is in the corner. It keeps on getting, yeah, it keeps on getting ruined. So the solution I have right now is just I went back to my old wallet, which is the Tatanka. Tatanka wallet, and it's a pretty minimalist wallet. It has a coin purse here, but I put my cards in them, and this is a very good material. It's thin, it's waterproof. It's made of Hypalon, which is a synthetic rubber used for rubber boats, all those inflatable kayaks and everything else. But yeah, the reason I'm telling you about this new wallet I'm having right now is that the corners, there's some threads coming out, so I'm burning them. That way they have a good feel for it. And yeah, that's really satisfying. So yeah, it's not a review. I'm just telling you I'm satisfying to burn off all the edges here. And yeah, just want to say something.